guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal. If you're new, hello. And if you are returning, thank you. Today we are going to be doing a fun little project. We're going to be doing a mirror box, and I got everything I needed from the Dollar Tree. So today I was trying to find something to wear for this video, wasn't working, and couldn't fit anything, so I am wearing a t-shirt dress that was $5 from Forever 21. Living life right now. With that being said, today's DIY time and creativity is brought to you by Smith Devereaux Wine. Thank you. Love you guys. Thanks for the creativity in a bottle. So let's get started on the DIY project. We will be using 6 little mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I got some tape, a razor to scrape off the foam and labels on the back. We're also going to be using a glue gun and some glue sticks. I'm also going to be using this little diamond that used to be a wine topper, my old one. It broke, and so now I'm going to be repurposing it for a little handle for the box. So I want the box to be cute inside and out, so I am going to take my razor and I am going to scrape off these little foam bottoms. Okay, we're gonna grab some of the tape and put it on one of the bottom pieces and match it up with another piece, just so we have a little bit of stability when I'm making my box. I have something for it to be stable against. And I'm gonna also put another piece of tape on the top so it won't fall. Now I'm going to take my glue and glue on the inside. I'm going to glue the second piece on now. Left-handed, looking over. Yay, we can do this. So we're going to take another piece. I'm going to take the last piece and put some tape on it so it can be nice and lined up. So I decided to use some E6000 for this instead of the glue gun because this dries a little more clear and it is a little more sturdy than the glue gun. Okay, so after all that, the glue guns are not that neat and pretty, so obviously the inside's not gonna be that good. So if you wanted to see the inside, this duct tape I also found at the Dollar Tree, really cute, kind of obsessed, and I'm gonna line the inside so it'll cover up all the glue. Here's our finished box and a little topper, and I put a little Kleenex box in it, so you have a little Kleenex box holder. And you can cover it up if you don't want to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching the Do-It-Yourself and Wine Time video, my new segment, DIY. This time we made a little mirror box, many more projects to come. Please like, subscribe, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Click the little bell and you will get notifications every time I upload a video. Thank you. Till next time, happy DIYing. Because who doesn't start projects with wine at 11 o'clock at night? Everyone, obviously. They were there the whole time.